Hey everyone! Welcome back to the Dotstore channel. In today's video, we're diving into how you can configure the USPS Shipping plugin for WooCommerce, and show live USPS rates right on your checkout page. This is the perfect solution if you're running a WooCommerce store in the US and want to provide accurate, real-time shipping costs to your customers. Let's get started. After installing and activating the plugin, you'll land on this settings page, the USPS Shipping method configuration screen. Let's go through each setting briefly so you understand how to set this up properly. Status: this toggle enables or disables USPS Shipping on your store. Make sure it's turned on. Debug mode: enable this only when troubleshooting. It logs request and response data for support debugging. USPS User ID: enter your USPS Web Tools user ID here. If you don't have one, register for free on the USPS developer site, the link is in the description. Connection status: after entering your user ID, click Check Connection to validate it. A green symbol means it's working properly. Origin postcode: this is your store's zip code used to calculate shipping from. In our example, we're entering 24151. Shipping rates type: choose which rates to show your customers. Online rates are normally cheaper than others, so we recommend keeping it set to online unless you have specific needs. Default shipping title: this is the fallback shipping method title that will appear if live rates aren't returned. You can enter something like USPS Standard Shipping. Default shipping rate: a fallback price, like 5 or 10, in case real-time rates are not returned by USPS. Cheapest rate: if enabled, the customer will automatically be shown only the cheapest USPS rate. Great for keeping things simple. Once the basics are set, scroll down or move to the USPS Services Settings section. Here, you'll find a list of all USPS services, like First Class Package, USPS Ground Advantage, Priority Mail Express, Retail Ground, and many more. You can enable or disable any of these based on what you want to offer your customers. You also have the option to adjust the shipping rate either by adding a fixed amount or applying a percentage markup. This helps you cover handling, packaging, or profit margins. After you've entered everything and customized the USPS services, don't forget to hit Save Changes at the bottom. Now your store is ready to pull live USPS rates directly to the checkout page based on the shipping address and product weight. Now let's test the USPS Shipping live on the front end. I'm going to add a product called 3-Speed Bike to the cart. And now we'll proceed to the cart. On the cart page, we'll enter a US shipping address with the following details. City as Longview. State as Texas. Zip code as 75601. After that, click on the Check Delivery Options button. Will fetch real-time USPS rates from the API, and you'll now see the available USPS shipping methods listed right here. Let's choose Priority Mail Express, which is showing a cost of $39.40. Now we'll click on Proceed to Checkout to finalize the purchase. On the checkout page, you can see that our selected shipping method, Priority Mail Express, is correctly displayed under the shipping section. Now we'll click Place Order to complete the checkout. And that's it. The order has been successfully placed. You can see the selected USPS shipping method listed in the order summary. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've integrated real-time USPS shipping into your WooCommerce store. This not only improves accuracy but also builds trust with your customers by offering transparent shipping rates. If you are here, it means this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more WooCommerce tutorials. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching this video.